Previously, we have done the correlation on a simple analysis as a simple analysis. But let's just say, what if you want the correlation for different groups? For example, gender or marital status. In gender, you might be having two or more than two categories, like male, female, others, not specified, trans. So what would you do? How would you calculate your correlation based on the group that you want the specific? I mean, maybe I want to just see the correlation for the males only, not for the female, not for the combined data. What would I do? It's a very simple thing. All you have to do is you have to go for the data, go to the split file, organize your outputs by groups, and select the IV or the category that you want. It should be there. For example, I want to split my file by the gender, so click OK. Now, as you can see, my output is going to be sorted by cases by the gender, and the split file is on now. So all I have to do is I have to go for the analyze, correlation, bivariate, put whatever you want. Let's go for 4 or 5 or simple things. So we have an idea what the output is and how to interpret the output. Now, this correlation table is for the males, and this one is for the female. Since it's giving you two different tables for male and for female, it's also telling you about the sample size. For male, the sample size is 144, and for female, the sample size is 135. But in the APA, you have to combine both these tables, and this can be combined like this. Let me zoom in for you. So as you can see, this is the table, correlation table. These are the diagonals where one is supposed to come, and while you're putting the values, you need to specify that coefficients below the diagonal represent correlations of male or female, whatever you have put. So basically, these values, the values on the left side or below the diagonal, they are the correlation of males, and above the diagonal or on the right side, they are the values of female. So this is one thing that I wanted to show you. I hope that you have understood. Once again, what you need to do is go for the analyze or go for the split file, and for the split file you can have your output sorted by the cases, sorted by the different groups. This is the same interpretation that you use in the correlation, so you don't have to worry about it. Since the variables are more, the output is more. All you have to do is just create the output, write the interpretation as per your variables, as per your output, just repeating the criteria, just repeating the procedure. You have to go for the data, split file, shift the variable, click over here, shift the variable that you want to be sorted, click OK, it will be done. To turn off the split file, all you need to do is click on this one, analyze all cases, do not create any groups. Click OK. Now the split file is off. Now once you run, just to check that are they actually off, once you run the correlation, it's going to give you a single table not specified as the correlation is for male or for the female. See, the split file is off now. Now you can run your analysis as per the simple criteria. That would be all. Thank you.